Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about the page speed score. So let's check the speed score for my website, and from first view you can see it's really amazing. 100 for desktop and 96 for mobile. And yeah, I accept congratulations because this is really amazing result. And the funny thing, there are no any optimization on the website. And I will tell you just 3 things which every website owner can do for their website. But before that, I want to check why my website has so high score without any optimization. Okay, let's check it. It's pretty normal website with a lot of animations. Everything is dynamic. It's not static HTML website. It's everything is fully edited. It has the visual builder. You can see here. It's drag and drop editor. And yeah, let's see how it works. So you can see everything is edited, and okay, it's stuck. Let's wait. Still waiting. Okay, now let's wait a little bit. Let's talk about my business. I created this website, the We, to help clients like you handle their websites. I believe that business owners create the website not because they like the website, but because they want to improve appearance and have more clients. But they want to focus on business. They don't want to study what hosting is, what CCL is, how to improve speed, how to manage SEO, where to find designer, how to do technical execution, etc. And for this reason, I created the agency, the We, where my team will handle everything for you on the highest possible level. As you can see for page speed score, I know what the highest possible level mean in the web development. Okay. And yeah, so if you have some issues or struggles, feel free to contact me and we'll find touch points. Also, if you own the agency, I work with agencies like White Label Solution to help with your client under your brand. Okay, so it's the editor. You can see everything it works like it's just editor, visual, like Elementor, but it's not Elementor, it's Divi. And we still has a huge score. By the way, I don't have any plugins installed. I created the full website without any plugin, and it's not landing page. This is normal website like all clients has. It's pretty huge, pretty big website. So by the way, here is my pricing. Okay, so now how I promised it, I will tell you the free tips which you can do with your website. First main tip, get good hosting. You shouldn't rely on the shared hosting, which costs $2 a month. Normal cost hosting doesn't cost it. Like it will be some slow hosting with a lot of malware. Your website I'm pretty sure your website will be hacked like once a year, and you will spend on developers, on cleanup, and probably the hosting will upsell you the security protection, and it doesn't work like that. Yeah, you just should get normal hosting. Talking about normal hosting, in the We, I offer my own hosting, my own hosting with such prices, where I will fully manage your website for the hosting site, and you will not care about hosting at all. Like it's one-time payment per year. By the way, here it should be per year, and that's it. Okay, so first, get good hosting. Second, what you can do, go to WordPress admin, plugins, and delete all unnecessary plugins. Delete as much plugins as you can for your website. The less plugins you have, the better your website will be. Okay, it should be pretty easy. If you can delete some plugin, I don't know, contact some developer who will replace this plugin with code on your website. But the rule is less plugins you have, the better website you have. Okay, something like that. And next one, which is pretty important thing, you should optimize all images. For optimization, there are a lot of tools online. You can find any of them. I will show the one which I use. It's TinyPNG. It's free too for free images, but it has some pricing. I don't know. I just don't use it for free. I like everything for free, like everyone here. And if we then get our image and upload here, the image size is 2 megabyte and it's PNG. So if we compress image, 2 megabyte is like death for your speed, for your website, for your website speed, right? And if we compress it, we already have 425 kilobyte, which is 81% less. It's like amazing result already. But what we can do additionally, we can click convert my image automatically and select as okay, let's try. Okay, it has transparent background, so it can be compressed to JPEG. You can try JPEG, but I would recommend you to try WebP. And let's see how it works. With WebP, we achieved the minus 87% of size reduction. So we have 298 kilobyte, but we had here 2 megabyte. For example, on recent project I worked, we had these images. So I will try to download one and I will try to, okay. And I will try to show you how it works without the transparent background. So the image, it was the 208 kilobyte, which is not so bad, but can be better. And with compression, I was able to achieve the 9 kilobit, which is 96% smaller size. And it will help your website by a lot. And yeah, if you don't want to manually struggle with such things, you can install some plugins inside your WordPress, do the images optimizations, and delete the plugin. If you want the better page speed score like I have here, you can contact me by email under this video. Feel free to communicate with me. I'm always happy to help. But also, you can do these 3 tips. These are really important. But what is most important is the website architecture. So before you build website, you should build some, I'm not sure how to say, some architecture, you know, like you should, the developer should understand which sections and where they will be, or how much elements there will be, what is the best way to build them. So the experience from developer means a lot in this case. And even if you already have the website and it has some bad speed score, you really can improve it with my tips, but you will not get 100% never. You need to fully rebuild your website with good developer. And yeah, so if you have some issues with your website, struggles or questions, feel free to contact me with email under this video or with comments. Thank you for watching. Hope this was interesting and have a nice business.